Hey crafters, it's me, Jen with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another Wednesday. It's a 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, and if you're new here, that just means that a subscriber sent in some scraps. And when I say scraps, I truly mean just stuff that's left over that you just don't know what to do with. And then I'm going to set my I forgot to put my display on pause. I'm going to set my display so that it doesn't shut off on us and set the timer for 10 minutes, and then I have 10 minutes to create a card. So let's see. Let me go back to here. Display. And then 10 minutes. We should be good to go. Here we go. Okay, 10 minutes. And I've already scored my card. It's a regular 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card, and put my stuff on the back here. And this is Kathy Dunahyee's stuff, so we're going to pull it out and see what she sent in before we get started. We're going to just take a look at what's in here. I don't know if this was meant to be the card base. Since it's got some markings on the inside, I may just use it as a piece of paper. And then we've got a piece of, looks like almost like a chicken wire type of a thing here. That's cool. A chain sticker. And then we've got some really cool stuff on the inside here. Go ahead and dump this out. A stamped image and some swirly-doos. Cute, cute. What's this? Oh, a little bee. How adorable is that? And what's on this one? This is a glitter, like, sticky button. It's a sticky. And then we've got what would you call that? Like a paper clip kind of a deal. That is really cool. Okay. So, I missed one. I got a little butterfly in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the 10-minute timer, and I've got 10 minutes to create something out of all of this. And I'm thinking that I might want to use this, maybe not to actually put on there, but maybe to put some interesting looks on it. Since I have a lot of red, let's go ahead and add some yellow. And I'm thinking yellow because of the bee. Maybe if we incorporate a little bit of that. Ooh, that's cool looking. I'll lift it up in just a second so you can get a little better look at it. Look at that. That'd be cool for the bee. I think that we could use some of this along the bottom. Make it kind of a landscapey deal. And then wouldn't that bee be kind of fluttering around? We'd have like a little flower here. We'll add in our flower. And add in the little bee. I'm going to put the bee up here so he shows up a little bit better. And then he's going to be like having flitted around here. Oh, turn off my heat. Forgot that was on. So that'll be like where he was going around, and then I'll just cut that part off. And we've got a couple more of these that we can put on here. These are really cute. And then we've got the butterfly. You know what? He's really hard to see. Let's go ahead and give him a color. Not yellow, though. I think yellow he would just disappear into the background. So let's do, let's see, what color should he be? You know what, let's make him black, just so that he's kind of like just a shadow coming around. I wonder if I can get a little bit just out of here. Piece of scratch paper. Definitely gonna need more ink. And knowing me, I'm gonna get this black ink all over everything. So let me go ahead and move him over. Get rid of this. And then wipe my hands off, because I know I'm gonna just get black marks everywhere. And of course, when I touch that butterfly again too, I'm gonna have to be real careful. Maybe that butterfly, since this one's a little bit lighter, if I flip it over, that will give some movement to our butterfly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue down here for his wings, so I don't have to keep touching him. And then put down the swirly-do. Okay, and then on the inside, I think we'll go ahead and just maybe cut this off. We've got a little bit going on here. We've got to cut off our edges. Cute, cute. It's turning out really neat. Put this on the inside. I think I'm going to cut a little piece off here. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to put some of this on top and some of this on the bottom so that I can run that chain. Since that looks like the chain kind of on from the outside, that was in yellow, I'm going to put this on the inside. And then this one too, but leave room for the chain to go on there. So you'll have to peel that off, stick it on here. That looks pretty good. Go ahead and trim the edges off. I might even put a little bit of the yellow on the inside. I think that might be a good idea. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of the yellow on the inside. Just a bit. And then the rest of this is going to go on the inside. Oop, I might be covering up a little bit too much of my yellow. I'll add some more. We will add a little bit more. Get that yellow out again. There we go. Oops, got my finger full of it. Sometimes this will take off a little bit of the ink. Not too bad. Gotta wipe that black off because apparently I got some black on my finger. And then I'm going to see what I can do with, I'm going to save this because I really like the look of that. I might be able to use that again. It's really cool. I still have a paper clip that I can use. So I think that might look really cute if we put like the swirl there. And the paper clip, maybe over here. I think right on where the flower goes. If I can get that to catch under there. I'm using some pretty thick cardstock, so I gotta really give it a push. That is not floating my boat. Let's see, what else can we do with that? I think I'm just gonna hang on to it. Let's see what we can do with this. Can we turn this a different color? Like, could I make that a really cute black button? Because that would be neat. Let's see if alcohol marker will cover that up. Because I don't really want to go pink with red. A lot of people like that, but I don't like the look of pink with red. Ooh, it's turning black, but the glitter's still showing through. That's stinking awesome. I'm just going to go all the way around it so I get the edge. Look at that. It's no longer pink. It's like a midnight black. That's going to look really cool right there. I just don't want it to all perfect. It dried. And we're going to put that right there. That's super cool. That looks so neat. I just don't know what to do with this guy. I can glue him on pretty much anywhere, but maybe that's a little twirly of where he actually went. I could do that. Let's see if we can just turn that up a bit. Nope, I'm just not feeling it. Not feeling that one. So I don't think I'll use that. And that is our card for the day. Isn't it cute how they're just swirling around there? And I love this big focal point of that glitter. And it turned out black. So we've got some red and some black in there. A little bee and a butterfly. And then the inside, well, this looks almost like a chain. And then the chain on the inside kind of brings it all together with a little bit of the extra at the top. Just a tiny little spot to leave some kind of a sentiment. Or maybe you can stamp or put a piece over the top if you need more space. So I went ahead and did my information on the back already. So that's what it looks like. Do I have the... I wonder if I have a... Nope. I thought maybe I had my auto thing on. Autofocus, but I don't think I do. So I want to give a big thank you and shout out to Kathy Dunahee for sending in some scraps so that we could continue with the 1 in 10 by Jen. I think this is a series that a lot of people really enjoy. I have quite a few envelopes still in the works, but if you want to join in, feel free to join us at Quality Crafts on Facebook. If you can't find us there, go to qualitycrafts.com. There'll be a link for you to get to Facebook, so that'll be a little bit easier. And I can't wait to see you guys next video.